Hashtag Affiliate Marketing with Reels 2026. If you've been searching for affiliate marketing with Reels in 2026 and wondering how complete beginners are making money online using short-form videos, then you're in the right place. Because in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how affiliate marketing with Reels works, why Reels are one of the biggest traffic opportunities online right now, and how beginners are using AI tools, faceless content, and simple systems to generate affiliate commissions. The best part? You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need a huge audience. You don't need to show your face, and you don't need years of experience. In fact, many beginners are getting started with nothing more than a phone and consistent daily action. Make sure you stay until the end because I'm going to show you the exact workflow, the biggest mistakes to avoid, and how to shortcut the learning curve using ready-made content and AI tools. Before we jump in, if you want instant access to the exact AI tools, Faceless Reels library, training, dashboards, templates, and business-in-a-box system I mentioned throughout this video, click the link in the first pinned comment below. That's where you can get instant access today. And if you're interested in affiliate marketing, AI tools, Reels marketing, faceless content, and making money online, make sure you subscribe right now because I post new tutorials every week. Now let's dive in. So first of all, what exactly is affiliate marketing with Reels? Affiliate marketing with Reels is the process of using short-form content to attract attention, drive traffic, and earn commissions from affiliate offers. The concept is actually simple. You create a reel. People watch it. Some viewers click your affiliate link. Some of those people buy. You earn a commission. That's it. No inventory, no shipping, no customer support, no product creation. You simply connect interested people with products or services. And because Reels can generate massive reach, this model has become incredibly popular. Now let's talk about why Reels are exploding right now. Platforms like Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts are all competing for attention. Because they're competing, they're aggressively pushing short-form content. That means even small creators can get views. You don't need a huge following. You don't need celebrity status. You simply need content that captures attention. And that's why affiliate marketing with Reels has become one of the biggest opportunities for beginners. Now let's talk about niches. Because niche selection matters, some niches consistently perform better than others. For example, make money online, affiliate marketing, AI tools, business, finance, motivation, self-improvement, productivity, health, entrepreneurship. These niches attract highly engaged audiences, and engaged audiences are more likely to click affiliate links and take action. That's why many successful affiliate marketers focus on these categories. Now let's talk about faceless Reels, because this is where things get exciting. A lot of people want to make money online, but don't want to become influencers. They don't want to show their face. They don't want friends and family watching their videos. Faceless Reels solve that problem. Instead of filming yourself, you can use stock footage, AI visuals, text animations, motivational clips, screen recordings, slideshows, AI voiceovers, quote videos, and ready-made reels. The audience never sees who created the content, but the content can still generate views, traffic, and commissions. That's one of the biggest reasons faceless affiliate marketing is growing so quickly. Now let's talk about AI, because AI is completely changing affiliate marketing. One of the biggest challenges beginners face is content creation. They sit down and wonder, what should I post? What should I say? What should my title be? What should my caption be? What type of reel should I create? This is where AI tools become incredibly powerful. Today, AI can generate video ideas, hooks, scripts, captions, voiceovers, titles, descriptions, and content angles. Instead of spending hours trying to figure everything out yourself, AI can dramatically speed up the process. That's why creators using AI often produce content much faster than traditional creators. Now, if you're getting value from this affiliate marketing with Reels tutorial, hit the like button. It helps this video reach more people looking to learn affiliate marketing in 2026. And don't forget to subscribe because I post new tutorials every week on affiliate marketing, AI tools, Reels strategies, YouTube shorts, and making money online. Now let's talk about one of the most important elements of success: hooks. If your reel doesn't grab attention immediately, people scroll away. The first few seconds determine everything. That's why successful creators spend so much time focusing on hooks. Inside the system linked in the pinned comment, there's an AI viral hook and script generator. This tool helps create hooks, scripts, captions, titles, ideas, and content angles. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you can generate dozens of ideas in minutes. This dramatically improves productivity and consistency. Now let's talk about the Faceless Reels library. Inside the platform are over 100,000 ready-to-post faceless reels. Think about that for a second. Most beginners spend hours trying to create one piece of content. Instead, you can start posting immediately. This dramatically shortens the learning curve and allows you to focus on execution rather than creation. If you want access to the same Reels and AI tools, click the link in the pinned comment below. Now let's talk about how Reels actually generate affiliate commissions. Most people overcomplicate this process. The formula is simple: attention, traffic, offer, commission. That's it. Your reel attracts attention. The viewer clicks your link. The viewer sees an offer. If they buy, you earn a commission. The goal isn't to create Hollywood-quality content. The goal is to generate attention and guide people toward an offer. That's why consistency matters more than perfection. Now let's talk about repurposing content. This is one of the biggest secrets successful affiliate marketers use. Many beginners think they need different content for every platform. You don't. One reel can be posted to Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. One piece of content, multiple traffic sources, more views, more clicks, more opportunities for commissions. This is one of the reasons affiliate marketing with Reels scales so effectively. Now let's talk about daily workflow, because honestly, it's much simpler than most people think. A beginner workflow could look like this: log into the dashboard, choose a faceless reel, generate a hook with AI, generate a caption, post across multiple platforms, add affiliate links, reply to comments, repeat daily. That's it. Simple consistency. The people who succeed aren't necessarily smarter, they're simply more consistent. Now let's talk about common mistakes, because avoiding mistakes can save months of frustration. Mistake number 1, posting inconsistently. Mistake number 2, changing niches constantly. Mistake number 3, ignoring hooks. Mistake number 4, not repurposing content. Mistake number 5, quitting too early. Most people stop right before things begin working. The reality is that momentum takes time. That's why patience and consistency are so important. Now let's talk about scaling. Once you start getting traction, you can increase output, post more reels, test more hooks, expand onto more platforms, create additional pages, test new niches, build multiple traffic sources. And because AI helps automate content creation, scaling becomes dramatically easier. This is one of the biggest reasons affiliate marketing with Reels is becoming so popular in 2026. Now let's talk about realistic expectations. Can Reels generate commissions? Absolutely. Can they generate traffic? Absolutely. Can they help build an audience? Absolutely. But like any business model, results come from consistency. The creators winning today didn't quit after 1 week. They kept posting. They kept learning. They kept improving. And eventually, momentum started working in their favor. That's why I always tell beginners, Don't focus on perfection. Focus on progress. Now, before we wrap up, if you're serious about learning affiliate marketing with Reels and want access to the exact AI tools, Faceless Reels library, dashboards, templates, training, landing pages, and automation systems mentioned throughout this video, click the link in the first pinned comment below right now. That's where you can get instant access and start today. Also, make sure you subscribe because I'll be posting more tutorials about affiliate marketing, AI tools, Reels marketing, YouTube Shorts, TikTok growth, and beginner-friendly ways to make money online. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. How many Reels are you planning to post per day? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.